up, good people? A huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2018 Chevy Spark. Today we're reviewing the 2018 Chevy Spark. This particular model is wrapped in a nightfall gray. Right here we are looking at a 15-inch alloy wheel. Right here we are looking at a 1.4 liter pushing out 98 for the MPG Highway 38 City 30. Here's the sound of it. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. Right here we are looking at an analog gauge. On the left you have your gas gauge, on the right you have your digital gauge. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control with voice command. The buttons over here have your traction control with your headlight bezel. On the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control. Also you have your mirror control. Right here is a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Also you have a backup camera. The buttons right here are your Bluetooth and radio control. Now we're bringing it down to your climate control. Beneath the climate control you have your USB aux with your 12-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a 6-speed automatic transmission. We done made our way up to your map light. On the rearview mirror you have your OnStar with your safety connect alongside 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with no leg room. Back here you have your cup holder area. Now we done made our way to the cargo area. This does not have a lot of room, measuring at 11.1 cubic feet. However, if you fold down the seat, you will have 27.2 cubic feet. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2018 Chevy Spark. If you need any information about Hall Chevrolet, I'll leave a link in the description below. Real quick, good people, like, smash that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you next video.